Alrighty guys, real quick, this is a short video, so we got to do this quick. Guys, we're dealing with a ticking noise. Customer brought it in and says ticking. Guys, ticking noise is coming from one of the HVAC actuators, okay? Now, we got to find out which one, guys. Typically, it's coming from the recirc. So what you do is push the recirc button and you wait, okay? Turn it back off. You don't hit no tick from the recirc button. All right, remember, 3 modes of operation. You got the recirc, blend, and you got the mode door. All right, let's do the mode. We in face and floor mode now. Let's go to face. We wait. I don't hear a noise. Let's go to floor. Do we hear the mode door making a noise when we go to floor? No. All right, so let's move up to the blend air door. That's this one right here. Right now, we're in the full hot position. Let's simply go to cold. We wait. Uh-oh, I don't. Hey, there it is, guys. So our actuator noise is coming from the blend air door, guys. The blend is the one that do hot and cold. It's probably right here in the center. So now all we got to do is go down there, hunt it down, and replace it. All right, guys, stay tuned, man. Alrighty, guys, real quick, let's do this video, guys. Ticking noise. No. Before you all get all panic, I'm not talking about a Hemi tick or a Pentastar tick. Any of that. In fact, we're not even under the hood, guys. We're in the inside. All right, we talking HVAC. All right, we getting the noise of what I presume a actuator noise. Now, they tried to explain to me, although I had a hard time duplicating it. Guys, when you think of the ticking noise that an actuator make when it's trying to do its job, normally we would think recirc, right? So in order to duplicate that, you simply actuate the recirc mode door operation, right? So that's the button right there to turn recirc on or turn it off. Now, I didn't hear any noise coming when I switch modes like that. So then I have, in fact, uploaded a shorts video earlier. Y'all can watch that. I'm gonna try to put it in front of this. So I went to the mode door operation. Right now I'm in the full floor. I just simply went to face and I was waiting to hear for a noise. No noise, okay? Then I moved over to the blend door. Remember, guys, 3 modes of operation. You got the blend mode and the recirc. Right now we're in full heat. It's got to be one of these, right? It's going to be hard to find. You got to do your job, guys. Remember, a fault code will not bail you out, but depending on the HVAC system you have, sometimes that thing will generate a fault code. This one did not. So you're going to have to be a mechanic and do some work and go manually find it. Right now, I'm in the hot position. Let's move this over to cold, which means we will make that mode door, not mode door, that blend door, blend air door. Blend is you trying to blend hot and cold. We're going to make that blend air door go from full hot position to cold. And we're going to listen from noise. Then, here we go. We're in the full cold. There we go. All right. So based off that alone, we can conclude that my noise, this thing right here, this is the blend door actuator. I already sold this job, guys. I just had to find out exactly which one it was. After so many years, you can hear the noise and presumably automatically know it is a HVAC actuator noise. All right, when I get the old one off, we're going to tear this apart and look inside and see if any of the gears are stripped. It's just a bunch of gears, guys. So now I have the daunting task of going under this dashboard. The recirc is always the easiest because it's right in this area of where the blower motor is, but the blend door might be kind of tricky. I don't know. I haven't done one on this model. What model is this? This is a Jeep Compass, I want to say. Okay, so guys, let me go grab a flashlight because I got to go dumpster diving under here and try to find a location in this thing. Held on by 2 screws, fairly easy. Guys, I'm talking cars in general because this apply to every car, not just a Jeep or Dodge or anything like that. Yeah, most all modern cars today use electronic actuators. Who was around in the day when we had levelers? Okay, you wanted to go full hot, you grabbed your lever and slide it over. Yeah, what was attached to that slider was a cable going to a mechanical door in your HVAC system. All right, once you slide that lever will pull that door open then. All right, but we have moved to electronics now. Yeah, no longer. Who was around when we used vacuum actuators? Okay, yeah, a lot of vacuum lines and vacuum operation was going on to move AC mode things and stuff like that. Okay, we have come a long ways, guys. Electronic operation now. Okay, so again, let me go grab a flashlight and some tools. I gotta find this actuator so I can get it replaced and cut out this noise. Let me see if I can do it one more time. I'm in a hot position. Go to cold. Yeah. Yep, that's what we chasing. That's what the customer won't fix. That could come off as being freaking annoying. That would drive me crazy. So they brought it to JT, the car guy. And guess what? We're going to get this mug fixed. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. We got the new part right here, guys. We just need to find the location of the motor door actuator. Y'all, hope y'all following me on how I came to that conclusion. But we got to mimic the noise again. I'm going to turn the key on. I'm in the heat position now. But first, I'm going to go down here. If I had to guess, I think it's on this side. In fact, let's pull this cover right here and go dumpster diving. Oh, what do y'all see? Hey, look at that. There go an actuator right there. Now, is that the blend door actuator? I don't know. What I'm going to do is turn this back to cold and see if I can mimic the noise and put my hand on it and try to feel it and see if that's where the noise is coming from. If so, if I can feel the noise on there, that's the one we need to replace. So let me do this. We're going to full cold. Now let's go. Let's go. Hurry. Yep, that's it right there, guys. I can see it bouncing around and everything. So that is the one we're going to replace. Now, it's tight on here. What do those look like? Phillip head screwdrivers. All right, let me go get some tools. And we're going to use, this thing cost me 50 bucks on Snap-on, guys. Y'all see that? It's nice, but damn, 50 bucks. All right, so I'm going to get under there. It's going to be hard for me to film that. But y'all see what I'm doing, what I'm going after. I'm going after this blend door actuator, guys. Remember, there's 3 modes of operation: blend, mold, and recirc. This blend door actuator making a noise. So we're gonna get it off and get this new one on. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, I got it replaced. Now let's start this up and move from one temp to the next. Here's my old one right here. Remember, guys, we're gonna take this apart and look at it and see what possibly happens to these, why they make that noise. But for now, let's move this over to full cold and see if this noise is gone. There we go. We wait. Imagine that. I don't hear nothing, guys. We fixed it. So we done with that part of the diagnosis. Now we're gonna take this apart and take a look around, see what's going on. That's all I have, man. Let's get it. And we're gonna go in here and see exactly. In fact, I got a screwdriver right here, guys. Let's take a look at something. Look at that, guys. A bunch of gears and motors. Now, which one responsible for making the noise? I do not know, and I do not have time to investigate. But one of these gears, tuck, 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 tuck. Which begs the question, can these be repaired? I'm almost certain it can, but it's almost cost efficient to simply replace it. Now, it could be the motor that actually, this is what you call a motor, guys. When y'all call engines motors, that's a little disturbing, but this is actually an electrical motor. 12 volts in the ground applied to this will make this motor operate, which will in turn make these gears move, which will in turn makes the door actuator move. But yeah, this is I want to say that this motor is what's failed. I was thinking maybe I was going to see some teeth strip. This is interesting, guys. We don't put a lot of thought into this stuff because we don't repair them. We just simply replace them. But it's interesting how things are engineered. You see what I'm saying? So, well, my light went out. That's my time, guys. I am done. That's all I have. I hope y'all got something out of this video. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and get this glove box put on. We already verified that it's working. It's not noisy. That makes this job a complete and utter success. Thanks for watching.